Autel Evo Lite Plus. Tablet mount, Skyfire Aerial. How it even got better? Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time to my channel, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. If you find this episode helpful and you want to support my work, please don't forget, there's a super thanks button on the bottom where you can make a donation towards my channel, which is all going to go back into this. Autel Evo Lite Plus, the controller mount that I'm using is the Skyfire Aerial Enhancement Kit. And I tell you one thing, after using it for a few months and giving my feedback and getting feedback from other customers, Skyfire Aerial totally revamped the entire design based on the feedback that was given, and it even got better. Which started off as a smaller mount, just like this, where it just literally clipped onto an antenna and it was kind of like over the controller, holding it down kind of thing. It still had the issues that at first it came without this part, the bottom part. So the controller had the tendency with a heavy tablet to just tilt forward and just fall. Now, they added on this bottom piece right over here, which you could add on afterwards. And I told them that it's not really solving the issue of the tilting part because it ends here. The good part is because it had two of these mounting holes in the bottom, what I usually used to do, or what I still do, is I use my quick release mounts for my cameras and stuff. I have multiple of those to actually mount it in the bottom of this 1/4 inch and then actually clip it into my tripod mount or whatever I'm having at that point in order to have the controller stand up, because after a while the controller gets heavy because of the heavy tablet that stays on top. And if you fly 3 packs, 4 packs, your hand's getting tired. So if you're not a lanyard guy like I am, I'm not a lanyard guy, so I use the tripod to just stand it up, take a break real quick and have a 5-minute break in between while changing out batteries and doing pre-flight inspection. Now with the revamped version of this Skyfire Aerial mount, they actually fixed the issue also that you weren't able to adjust the antenna. So the antenna was not free floating like it is in their new mount right here. You had to loosen up this little tiny screw right over here that you have to literally loosen up in order to be able to move the antenna back and forth. Now with the new rectified version that they have in here, which is totally redesigned, they added on 2 screws that actually wrap around in the bottom of this controller and make this controller mount even better. Besides that, you're actually capable of putting it back into your bag, the original bag that comes with the premium kit that you get, and it actually shortened the profile a little bit so that it's actually smaller. So the Skyfire Aerial mount itself has improved for the Autel Evo Lite Plus. Now, besides all these changes that they did, they actually added on for their own ecosystem a small quick release mount that is a square piece mount that fits on the top that you can purchase afterwards if you have multiple of these Skyfire Aerial mounts in order to move your tablet or device that you use to fly your drone, which in my case is the TripleTech 8 Pro. And it's easy to just clip from one to the other, and back and forth, however you need it, because I have multiple wires already on my controllers itself. So therefore, to switch it over, it even made it easier because now I don't have to use the screw in the bottom anymore, which is anything that saves me time, guys, so I can fly more. But it also has a mounting clip over here on the sides that actually locks in place so that the tablet or the device that you're actually using in order to fly your drone does not fall out. Now, beware though, I did it a couple times where I just quickly clipped it in and I didn't pay attention really good, so it was partially out, and my tablet actually spilled twice, but lucky thing I have a TripleTech, right? So it fell. I caught it with my foot, never got any damage, but I was like, huh, is these clips working? They are working, but you have to pay attention to what you're doing. So that was totally my fault in this part where I didn't pay attention that it wasn't fully clipped in yet. Besides that, I like that the mount itself has a more bigger platform in the bottom, more trianglish, and it's wider, so it gives it a bigger base, and it actually levels out the controller. so that you can stand it up and it's still level. So it does not put any pressure on the antenna. It doesn't do any of that stuff. Plus you still have the awesome clip mounts right in here to put your joysticks inside. All this stuff does not include any tools that you need for this brand new mount from Skyfire Aerial. And if you're looking into purchasing that, link will be in the description below. Like I said, Skyfire Aerial for me is the go-to for any of these mounts. They have it available for the Mavics, they have it available for DJI, for Autel, for all kinds of drones, and they're always working to improve. I hope you guys liked this episode. If you guys did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and if you guys really want to support me, just hit the super thanks button and leave something. I always appreciate it, all right? Until then, please don't forget, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.